Siddhartha, this river is everywhere. Everywhere at the same time. It is at its source and at the mouth. It's in the waterfall and at the ferry. It's at the ebb, in the ocean, in the mountains. It is everywhere. The river only lives in the present. We too must learn to live in the present.
কত দূর আর কত দূর বলো মা আর আধারের ভ্রুকুটিতে ভয় নাই মাগো তোমার চরণে জানি পাবো ঠাঁই যদি এ পথ চলিতে কাটা বেঁধে পায় হাসি মুখে সে বেদনা সব কত দূর আর কত দূর বলো মা পথের ক্লান্তি
When you say you're seeking, it means there is something to find. But the real freedom is the realization that there are no goals. There is only the now. What happened yesterday has gone. What will happen tomorrow, we will never know. So we must live in the present, like the river.